everybody, welcome. Cindy A. Lewis here. It is time for one simple thing, the Craft Your Stash edition, creating space to create. That's our theme this month with one simple thing. And you can see in my picture here, Ren and Pip are part of it. Anyway, we are on day 3, gather like with like. So we're going to collect one category, lace, ribbon, buttons, book pages, etc., and put it together. So my thought behind this one is sometimes we just throw everything into one bin. And so for me, let me move these papers out of the way. We don't really need those right now. We'll put lace with lace, trim with trim, fabric with fabric, doilies with doilies, okay? But I've got them all in this one bin. So my thought is take the fabric, put it all together, and it doesn't have to be a particular size. Oh, I think I was making a paperclip. Anyway, and then put all that together in a bin for that and a bin for this, or a bag or a Ziploc bag. So I've got lace, I've got trims, and here's another trim. Here is one, you've seen me use these. So this is a cloth lace. Here's another trim, look how cute that is. Then we've got lace, and we've got a doily. Then we have this real pretty, it's like a kind of like a fabric lace trim. I don't know what would that be? Somebody tell me exactly what that term is. So anyway, we're gonna just do this real quick. Now we have little trim, little lace. You can do it by color if you want to, but you don't have to. And this is just one way to kind of organize what you got going on in your bin. And then that way you can put the like things together. So I'm just going to do this real quick. All right, and I'm about done here. And I've got a few little snippets in here that I'm just going to pull out. And one thing that I have in mine is a divider. So I could divide this up and put like things together that way. Or like I have a space for doilies. I could go put that in my doily space. This I really like, and I'm going to keep it right there together. This sari, I have a place for that. I have a place for fabric. That's trim. This is lace. This is cloth lace. So that's really all you have to do is just sort it out. And today's one simple thing is just sort it out and put it like things with like things. So I hope that you will try it if you haven't already. And maybe you do that, but maybe you had one bin just like I do that kind of got out of hand, and maybe everything just kept going in there. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. It is time for one simple thing. Craft your stash. I don't know why I keep messing up.